So this is the hokiness we had to do on the crappy Midea Mini-Split. I believe it's a valve in there, a TXV or something that's controllable. It does not work anymore on the unit number. You can see there, unit A, which is this number C there, which apparently we have it backwards, but it goes up there, which is in the kitchen area. And so I know I have to replace these at some point with the Mitsubishis, because we had to do that on the other side. We put in 4 of these previously in 2015, and 2 of them failed catastrophically on the other side, which is a little sunnier during the day. I think that might be it. And Mitsubishi at the time, to replace them was, I didn't want to replace them with junk, and it was $6 grand a unit to put them in, so I spent 12 grand on the other side of the building. And that kind of set me back, so I didn't really have time to do that here. Since the majority of this was working, compressor was going good, and it was just one unit wasn't working, I figured, well, it's probably not the unit leaking, and that's the case. It was holding good pressure. It was, there's a electronic thermal expansion valve that controls each one of these. And when the particular wire in here, A, B, and C, calls for refrigerant, it opens it up and based on various factors controls how much refrigerant goes in there. So, and because that's the expansion valve, this is actually post-expansion valve here, even though it's the cold side. As you see, it is condensing a little bit. So what I did is I said, well, worst case scenario, you just got to run both head units at the same time, or at least unit B, and made up this little hokey thing here with a brazing torch. I'm not very good at it, but it held pressure when I tested it, and they both appear to be working, and I was inside, they're cooling, so I'm not wild about the way that particular flare looks, but it's holding pressure, and you know, if I get 6 months out of this, I'm happy, kind of a thing, because I know I'll have to replace it, but it's just not in the cards right now, and I got somebody moving in tomorrow, so here's what we have to do. You see we're about 45 degrees, which feels about right, you know, beer can type feeling on there on the pressure gauge. So I think we're working here. I'm going to disconnect and seal everything up. But again, never buy a Midea. Our cost to do Mitsubishi day one was going to be $8,000. The Mideas were told just as good. They're going to be $5 grand. And nope. These now I'm having to replace them. The Midea has basically told me to go fuck myself. The MiniSpilt Warehouse in Tampa has refused to do anything either, and I've had people out here, I've lost tenants over it, so they're just not replaceable, or not repairable at all. And particular outdoor unit they don't make anymore, so you have to, you know, it's like, I'm not going to throw good money after bad. So we'll change them out to Mitsubishis and have a 10-year warranty. But like I said, that was the Pinellas Comfort Systems that did the work for the Mitsubishis on the other side, and you know, they gave me, it was, you know, I could have bought it and I could have done it for maybe $4,500 a unit or something. They're fairly expensive units. They charged me $6 grand installed, and I just didn't have the time to do it. It's a very fair price, and you know, they were doing 2 of them at a time, kind of a thing. They came in, they busted them out and got them done. So I wish I had the money to fix these, but you know, I was you know, I was told they were equivalent. I was trying to save money day one when we were rebuilding the building, or you know, redoing the building. And you'd say, hey, they're going to be an extra $3 grand a unit. That's 12 grand on the building to go with Mitsubishi versus 5 grand for these. Well, I paid 20 grand to get all these installed. Now I'm having to rip them out and pay, you know, 6 grand a unit to replace them with Mitsubishi, because obviously they don't have to replace the line sets and that kind of stuff, so that's why there's a little cost differential there. But still, that's, you know, spending 20 grand, and now I'm having to spend, you know, 6 grand a unit by 4 units. That's 24 grand. So that's what? Oh my God! I just did the math. $44,000 or something that, you know, we could. Oh my God! That, you know, we could have spent. You know, like 20 grand day one on. I mean, it would have been money, but now it's just throwing good money after bad, unfortunately, and that's why I'm not going to replace these. I mean, I could buy another used unit and put it in here, but I got to pay somebody to do it now if I don't have the time, which I don't have the time anymore to do it. So anyways, don't buy these Midea units. They are crap. Pay the money, get the Mitsubishi day one, and you won't have to do hokey shit like this, because there's probably an AC guy out there that's looking at this saying, oh my god, what the hell's wrong with you? But you know, it's rigging to get it going when it's hot in Florida.